Popular West Indies own Russell's T20 sports bar and restaurant ordered closed by the local authorities for COVID breaches. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV Let's Talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. We ask you please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always in tune whenever time we post new videos. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 7 TV. Let's talk. This is the place where you get the best in local and international news updates. So please remember, just like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always notified whenever we post new videos. With this onset of the COVID virus bearing down on the world, it's very sad to see that people still are not adhering to the regulations outlined by their local authorities, that the government have to take strict and restrictive measures in order to curtail the spread. The police are having a real challenge, especially in dealing with illegal parties, and we have seen a number of them being hosted even during the onset of the pandemic and in current settings as well. But with that said, the police are so far reporting that they have shot a popular hotspot, and this would have been one of those locations that would have been under the breaches of the COVID protocol outlined by the local authorities, and we're going to bring you up to date in relation to that. So Russell's T20 restaurant and sports bar located in Kingston and St. Catherine have been ordered closed by the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, the ODPEM, for breaches of COVID-19 rules. The measure took effect immediately, and that would have been yesterday, December 23rd. So the ODPEM stated that attention was drawn to the establishment when they committed breaches by holding entertainment/nightclub activities in violation of the measures imposed under the Disaster Risk and Management Enforcement Measures. And the government would have implemented these measures in order to curtail the spread of the virus. During the publication of this report, we were reliably informed that Russell's T20 remained open, and this was actually an error advisory sent to the business establishment. So the Office of Disaster and Preparedness and Emergency Management, the ODPM, has retracted an earlier advisory that is ordered that the St. Catherine-based Russell's T20 restaurant and sports bar to be closed due to alleged breaches of COVID-19 rules. According to the ODPEM, the earlier release was sent in error and the establishment remained open. In a release issued on Thursday, the ODPEM said that the restaurant located at Shop 15 Eastside Plaza, Old Harbor, St. Catherine, and 12 Dunrobin Avenue in Kingston were issued the notice on Wednesday and were ordered closed with immediate effect. However, the restaurant are owned by Jamaica and West Indies cricketer Andrew Russell, and the newest location on Dunrobin Avenue was officially opened earlier this month. So the government has advised them that this message was issued in error. So the restaurant is open for business, and there have not actually been any breaches of the COVID-19 protocol as outlined by the local authorities. So this is just an update to bring to you in our initial report that we are broadcasting to you right now on Links 7 TV. The ODPEM also stated that the government have initiated some measures just in order to curtail the spread of the virus that is steadily increasing on the Caribbean island. So in reminding all owners and operators of nightclubs and sports bar that the opening of these facilities is prohibited under the disaster and risk management orders outlined by the government. So what the government is basically stating that sports bar and these places of entertainment or amusement should not be open, especially when they are hosting various events, including parties that are being deemed as illegal parties by the local authorities, and we have seen a number of them being shut down by the police. And whenever we have seen these, what we realize is that there is a trend that the people are not wearing the protective gears as so far being outlined by the government. They are not wearing any masks, and the necessary procedures and protocols are not being followed. But with this said, the government have just initiated these measures just in order to curtail the spread of this virus, which has swept the world by storm. And you cannot really blame them with what is going on, especially in the United States, in the UK, which should have seen the worst hard hits right across the world. And the government is just trying this because it's a Caribbean country, a third world country, and the government cannot let this get out of control, especially in a time where the healthcare is actually struggling just to take care of people with their general day-to-day needs, plus to have something else that is a global pandemic to deal with. So we'll continue to follow this story though. This has been Links W7 TV. Let's talk. Just drop it in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this story. Peace out and bless.